have been given the information below and asked to prepare the accounts of MUG for the year ended 31st December 2017. This is the trial balance. Capital, rent, inventory, electricity, insurance, wages, trade receivables, sales, repairs, purchases, discount received, drawings, petty cash, bank, motor vehicle at cost, furniture and fixtures at cost, accumulated depreciation at 1 January 2007. That's the opening balance. Motor vehicle and furniture, travel and entertaining, trade payable, and also we have a husband's. Closing inventory valued at cost amount to 647. MUG has grown 10 a month, and these drawings have been charged to wages. Depreciation is to be provided 25% on cost on motor vehicles and 20% on cost on furniture and fixtures. Bad debts totaling 37 are to be written off. Careful with the English wordings. Here it is not written off yet. Are to be written off.
Provision of.
No, it's not provision, but we need to write off now. Bad debts. It's not recoverable debt. It's a bad debt. So I mean, it's not the allowances policy. 180 receipt from a credit customer was correctly entered in the trade receivable account and credited to the bank account. MUG has taken goods from inventories for his own use when purchased by his business. These goods for 63 and they would have been sold for 91. The annual rental of the business premises is 600. 180 paid for electricity in August covers the 12 month to 30 June 2018. A contra entry of 73 has only been recorded in the trade receivable account. Prepare journal entries to record items 1 to 8, clear the suspense account, produce a statement of profit or loss for the year ended 30th December and a statement of financial position as at that date. So quickly let's work out the first journal entries. Chapter number? Page number?
309.
When you do a question like this, first thing is to structure the format. So we will structure the format. You need one full page for P&L, one full page for statement of financial position. So this is profit and loss account. Actually here, please remember, you need to write the name of the company. If you are doing a paper-based exam, computer-based exam, all this no need. But if you happen to take a paper and then do everything, name of the company, name of the document, and the period. These three things important. For these all total, maximum they will give you 1 to 2 marks. Suppose you get 48 marks, you fail. And for these 2 marks, you pass. So remember this. So you have sales minus, actually leave 1 or 2 lines here. Why? We don't know, we may get some adjustments. Minus cost of sales, opening stock, plus purchasers. Again, please leave 1 or 2 lines. Maybe we may get any other adjustment under purchases. Same like sales. Then minus closing stock and then leave 1 or 2 lines. Because stock damage by fire or something comes, we can put it there. Then you have gross profit. After gross profit, again you leave 1 or 2 lines. Other income. Something you may get, other income, so you please leave 1 or 2 lines. Then minus expenses. Usually, around 15 lines you would leave. Sometimes it can be 7 lines, sometimes 12 lines, sometimes 13, 14 lines. So again, when you practice so many questions, you will get the experience. But since we are doing the first question, leave like 15 lines. So after that, so this is your profit and loss account. Then same like you have to prepare statement of financial position. In our old days, we used the name balance sheet.
Is it balance sheet?
Balance sheet, new name is statement of financial position. Again, same thing. You have to write the name of the company, name of the document, and the period. When you write profit and loss account, you write period for a given period range from 1st of January to 31st March. But balance sheet on a particular given date. Remember the difference. Here? That depends. I was thinking about it. You put the manager area, you put that one. That column is not fully required. It literally goes half. So you have here, but this method is old this time. It's the old style. New style not like that. Anyway, you have here cost, accumulated, depreciation, and net book value. So here you will have assets, non-current assets, based on what you see in the trial balance. Whatever the non-current asset you need to write here. I think only 2 you have. What are the items you have there? Furniture and motor vehicle. So you have furniture, then you have motor vehicle. So please understand that I closed these 2 lines here. I kept this line open. Why? I will continue the total down. I will say that's the position comes. Then you have current assets. Any current asset, maybe you can like 6, 7 lines. This you name it. capital plus liabilities. You have capital, so they are owners capital plus profit or loss minus drawings.
Capital plus liabilities
Equal to assets. That's what the our equation, no?
equal to assets plus profit and loss.
No, wait.
So it is equal to capital plus liability.
Yeah, that's our balance sheet equation.
Capital plus liabilities
It is equal to assets. So now you get here only the capital side, owner's capital plus profit or loss, and then minus drawings. You get the answer. Then you have liabilities, non-current liabilities. You may have any item, and then you have current liabilities. Then take the total of this. This is total capital and liabilities. This is the first step that we have done with the format. Next step, they want us to do the journal entries.
So mistake.
No, journal entries. We will come to substance account, but the requirement is saying prepare journal entries to record items 1 to 8. Now let's go to the very first item. What is the journal entry we need to record? It's a closing inventory. What should we do?
So,
We should,
P&L we have to minus it.
where are you doing?
Cost of sales we have to pay.
You have to credit the cost of sales and then debit the,
Balance sheet as a closing unit.
yeah, where?
Under
Under
current assets.
inventory. So first entry, debit inventory account, credit cost of sales. How much?
647.
647. Now we will do that in our accounts here. My closing stock 647. And then this should be here also. Inventory 647.
shows that the stock.
Which are number you have now? Can you forward the same document to me? That document is in, because last year. I cannot send it. Is that clear? So I will debit inventory account.
Credit minus.
Credit, not minus, I mean, other dash.
This,
Dash. Can you go and call Sudan? Clear? Okay, let's continue with the second one.
One minute. So you debited the inventory, okay, because
Yeah.
that was closing. But why cost of sales?
That's what the normal scenario, no, brother. You are closing the stock from your normal other part of our accounting studies. We learned that cost of sales is equal to opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Check your phone. You go to WhatsApp. Put the printout. Okay, good paper. Okay. So that's the first thing. Now, if you go back to our previous topic, we studied cost of sales is equal to opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. You see, I am subtracting here. Minus. the logic behind why I subtract, now you understand. Because the double entry is, I have to credit the cost of sales. Normally, cost of sales is a debit item. That's why I am crediting here. Clear? Okay, let's continue with the second one. Mug has drawn $10 a month, and these drawings have been charged to wages. Now, please tell me, first of all, drawings of cash. How much?
10 into 12.
10 into 12. 120. Now this 120, have they passed the double entry or not yet?
We pass the entry
They passed the double entry. What the double entry they passed?
to the wages account.
They have recorded to wages account. The credit would have gone where?
Cash.
Cash. The debit should be where?
In the drawings account.
But where they have recorded?
Wages.
So now what is the correct double entry then?
So
I should debit where and credit where? Please tell me.
debit drawings.
Debit
Drawings.
drawings
Credit wages.
120 and then credit
Wages.
wages 120. So wages as per TV. How much? $1,624. Then drawings
Why just
can you please read the second statement number 2?
Mug has drawn
$10 a month
and this drawings
have been charged to wages. So this bookkeeper, the owner's money, he thought it's a salary. Owner money can be salary.
money?
Or owner taking money for home, can you consider that as salary?
No.
No. So if the bookkeeper has considered as a salary, so if you calculate profit and loss account, what will happen to your P&L? You will increase another 120 more expense. Correct or wrong?
Okay.
Then what correct?
This expense will increase if you take this money.
Yeah, is it right? When the owner taking money home, brother, that money is not an expense. That money is not salary. Masbook walala. You understood or
Profit
not?
or what?
Hmm?
Profit or what?
We'll come to profit later. My question to you, owner taking money. Owner taking money, can you consider as salary?
Not condition. No chance to be salary.
It can't be salary.
Ah.
It is personal money of the owner.
Okay.
So when owner taking money, and if you treat that as salary, what will happen to the salary expense? Will increase or decrease? Salary expense.
Salary expense will increase.
Increase. If the salary expense increase, what will happen to the profit?
Decrease.
Is it correct or wrong?
Correct.
هو هنا عشان هو سجل مسجلها الاثنين فهو الخاصة بالمبلغ ده بسبب
22
هيكملها
Clear?
Okay.
So, now don't close this. Why? Maybe we will have some other adjustments. Leave like this. Now we have done the double entry also. We'll go to the third one. Depreciation is to be provided at 25% on cost on motor vehicles and 20% on cost on furniture and fixtures. So can we now calculate motor vehicles? What is the policy?
25.
25% on cost, meaning state line method or reducing balance method? State line method. So what is the cost of the motor vehicle?
1740.
How much?
1740.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Ah, yeah. And the depreciation rate?
25.
So how much is the depreciation rate?
430.
430. Now what is the double entry for this? Okay, wait. I will do the furniture also. How much is the cost of the furniture? 830. Rate for furniture? 20%. So depreciation would be 160. That's understood? Maha.
Yes.
So now debit, depreciation, expense, furniture, sorry, motor vehicle. How much? Depreciation, expense, motor vehicle 435. Credit, accumulated depreciation, motor vehicle 435. Then debit, depreciation, expense, furniture 166. Credit, depreciation, expense, furniture 166.
Accumulate.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Depreciation. I'm checking you are sleeping or not. Okay, now we'll do this in our financial statement. What is the cost of motor vehicle? 1740. What is the cost of the furniture? 830. And you already have accumulated depreciation for motor vehicle. How much? 435. Now how much?
Motor vehicle, huh?
Motor vehicle
435.
435 open balance. Current year depreciation charge how much?
435.
435. So what will be the answer here?
435 plus
870. How you got? 435 plus 435. All of you understood the answer?
Second one.
Second, answer. Yes. $807. Opening balance, whatever the depreciation calculated up to the last period, and the current year depreciation charge. You will get both.
Can you show that one dividend grid plus? This dividend grid depreciation.
This one, motor vehicle. This one, furniture. Clear? So, what we do now? What was the opening balance for the furniture?
166 into 2.
160 last time was 160, so into 2. How much?
330.
702. I guess this is 166 plus 166. So can you calculate 830 minus 332, 1740 minus 870?
498.
And I believe this is 870.
Mr. Muhammad,
Yes.
you made very quickly والله أنا ما فهمت understand.
What you don't understand?
You typing only يعني you type and go to another step. What should I do?
Okay, what you didn't understand? Tell me that.
And the rest one I want to tell you after that go with you to the table.
Okay.
That's all.
Color, okay.
Okay.
Color. So, okay. So now can we then take the total of these two, please?
2570,
25,
70,
and then the total of these two,
1202,
1, 2,
02,
and then the total of these two,
and 368.
1, 3,
68.
Why you make this 166 total?
Abhivi. This is the opening balance depreciation. If you check your trial balance, you will find it out. That's whatever the calculation you have done for the last year. And this 166 is the current year depreciation. Now here, depreciation expense. Now depreciation expense, motor vehicle, 435, and then furniture, how much? 166. Now we are done with that adjustment columns. Next one. Bad debts totaling 37 are to be written off. So now what we do is,
This is the easy can understand. The account can easily understand.
yes, your opening balance, how much in the trial balance?
163.
163. No, 670. Now what they are saying?
You have right of
We need to write up 37 as bad debts. So, bad debts, 37. The double entry, debit, bad debts, credit, trade, and then here, bad debts in the part of expense, you need to write that. Trade, so up to adjustment number 4, everyone clear before I move to adjustment 5? Yes sir, okay? Baha okay? Atif? Okay? Now, 180 received from a credit customer was correctly entered in the trade receivable account. Now, when you receive money from customer, what is the correct double entry?
cash, debit cash,
We have credit the cash, sorry, debit the cash, credit the
trade receipt.
trade receivable. So they are saying correctly entered in the trade receivable account and credited to the bank account. So let's open a bank account now. What was the closing balance as per TB? 762. Am I right?
Yes.
Now this, what should we do with this?
Two times. Credit.
We have to debit
Two times.
2 times. Because they credited, it's supposed to have debited which has been credited. How much? 180. So what must I do?
So 360 debit.
I should debit here and credit here.
Credit to credit card.
Credit to
Trade receiver. No, credit
Bank account.
180 to trade receiver.
No. Now this the credit entry nowhere.
Credit, yes. Suspense account.
Ah. So now we open. What is the balance there? Suspense account. Debit of 433.
Debit.
So we call it miscellaneous, and then I should debit 360 here, and then credit to so double entry. Debit bank account 360 credit suspense account 360. Everyone understood or not?
This number 5?
Yeah, this is number 5. Clear or not? Okay.
Why use suspense in this case?
Really, the accountant, by mistake, instead of debiting here, he credited here. He credited how much? 180. So you need to clean that mistake. First I need to remove the mistake of 180, and then I have to bring the correct 180. So to remove, I have to debit 180, and to bring another correct answer 180. So that means I have to make it 2 times. So that is that. Mug has taken goods from inventory for his use. When purchased by his business, these goods cost 63 and they would have been sold for 91. So what should be the value we should take?
Only 60.
63. We don't need to worry about this 91. That is to confuse us, they are giving. The owner taking goods from business to the home, he don't need to take it at selling price. He should take it at cost. You have understood? So, entry number 6. So I should debit drawings 63 and then credit there.
Purchase.
Purchase. So what I can do now, I can go here, minus drawings 63.
And this one also 63 cent, drawings purchase.
Yeah, that is a double entry. Okay, now the 7th one,
So this 63, if the existing drawings are there, that would
we have to edit, we have to adjust the drawings. So that I still didn't touch. I will come to it. The annual rental of the business premises 600. And 180 paid for electricity in August. 217 covers the 12 month to 30 June 2018. So now if you see the trial balance, how much is the rent? See, here the rent in the trial balance they are showing how much? 500. But the annual rent is how much?
600.
So that means we need to pay another 100. So we need to pass an additional double entry. This is called accrued expense. So what is the double entry now for that? The one
Rent account debit.
accrued rent. I need to debit
Rent account.
rent how much?
100.
100 and credit rent
Accrued rent.
payable.
Pay.
When you are credit the cash,
Hmm?
the cash.
But it is not paid.
It's nothing to do with the cash because no payment has gone. You have already paid only 500, but you need to pay total 600. So now what we do? We go here, rent 500 plus 100, it will be 600. Here, rent payable, how much? 100. A contra entry of 73 has only been recorded in the trade receivables account. So they have not recorded in the payable account. So we need to do that. So that is adjustment number 8.
Electricity did
I forgot that. Sorry. Before that we need to complete electricity. 180 paid for electricity in August 2017 covers 12 months to 30 June 2018.
So 6 months is prepaid.
1 minute, electricity. So my year end, our year end is when?
When it was December.
31st December. 31st December 2017. And then I pay 180 when?
Up to June.
I paid on, no, the payment date is in August 2017. And I am paying up to
30 June.
30 June. So, this 6 months is prepaid. Correct? So, how to calculate? 180 into 12 06. So, this is 90. This 90 is prepaid. So, electricity expense. So, sorry, what is the double entry before that? I'm sorry.
So prepaid.
I need to debit prepaid
Electricity debit.
electricity 90 credit
Electricity expense.
electricity expense
Credit.
90. So we will complete our finance statement. Electricity. How much is the trial balance? Electricity. 240 minus 90. I think 150. 150. And then leave one line here. Prepaid electricity 90.
Debit prepaid electricity.
And credit to electricity expense. Okay? Now the last adjustment, a contra entry of 73 has only been recorded in the trade receivables account. So what you do now, adjustment number 8, we need to have payable. What was the brought forward payable, please? $700. Correct? And then contra how much? Offset. 73. And this wasn't recorded. So the credit entry we need to think now. Where to credit?
First one.
Can you please take this total and this total is equal?
Yeah, total. Correct.
That's clear. So now we can balance this. What is the carry forward answer? How much? 627, no?
Yes, sir.
627. So that we can take it here. Now we go to the trial balance. Capital 2377. Any adjustment? No adjustment. Straight away 2377. Next one. Rent. We have taken rent already?
Yes.
Yes, we have taken rent already. Okay? Next item. Inventory opening balance 510. So that we have to take it here. Next item. Electricity we have taken.
Yes.
Insurance we have not taken. Right?
Yeah.
So insurance. How much? 120. Next item. Wages we have taken.
Insurance.
Did we?
No.
We have done the adjustment, but we have not taken. Somewhere I have taken.
Yeah, wages.
Done the adjustment for that.
Yeah.
Here. Can you find out the answer, please?
So wages 1320.
1,
3. Sorry, wages 1514.
5, 1. So we take wages here. Next item. After wages, trade receivables. See here, I told you to leave one space. That is always remember, after inventory, second item is trade receivable. Trade receivable, we have an adjustment here.
Six 672 minus 37.
How much?
635.
6,
35.
35. That's carried forward. So next item. Sales 15,500. 42. Repairs. How much?
635.
Purchases 9,876. Any adjustment to purchases?
Discount received on
Then we have discount received how much? 129. So that will take it here.
Oh, this other income.
Yes.
This is not expenses or what?
Discount received is an income, brother.
we received discount.
Yeah. So next item. Drawings 1,200 already. So see, given drawings 1,200, and then here we have done one adjustment to wages.
1320. 120.
Wages how much we do? We have 120. 120.
So 1320.
So adjustment for wages 120 and goods. The owner also brought goods. Correct? Yeah.
Yeah, it is number 2 point.
63.
Number 6.
63 is
63.
Number 6, huh? Yeah, 63. So we have to take the total of all these. How much? 1,383. So that drawing will come here. Then, sorry. Then we have petty cash. So petty cash will come here as 5. Bank 760. Any adjustment to bank? There is an adjustment to bank, I think.
Yes.
228.
Yeah, 762 plus 360.
1122. Motor vehicle we have taken, furniture we have taken, accumulated depreciation of both we have taken, travel and entertaining. How much? 190. Then the next one, trade payables we have already dealt with. How much?
Straightforward, we have taken already.
627, which we have taken already. Yeah?
660.
Yes. Then suspense account which we have done. So now we take the calculator. Can you please tell me the answer for this? The total of these three. How much?
10323.
10,323. Then can you please subtract 647? 9676. Now subtract 15,542 minus 9676. How much you get? 5?
5866.
866. And then can you take the total of 5866 plus 129?
5795.
5737.
Huh?
Oh, sorry. 5995.
Now please take the total of all this. 435, 166, 37, 600, 150, blah blah blah. Three eight four nine.
384.
Now 5995 minus 3849.
2146.
That is net profit or loss? Profit. This 2146. You have to take it there. Now, can you please take the total of this 647, 635, 90, 1122 and 5. 2. Can you please take the total of 1368 plus 2499?
8,867.
Now take the total of these three items. 2377 plus 3146. Sorry, 2146, right? Yeah, 2146 minus 1383.
3140.
3140. And then 727. Take the total of these two.
3867.
3867.
867.
And this also 3867. That's the meaning. Clear? So if you
This profit
2146. Not
2146. This 2 3.
I put comma there.
Down please.
How many minutes you will get for this question? Which kind of question?
If you are doing alone and after good practice, you should finish this question maximum 30 minutes.
Yeah, 20.
Hmm?
Yeah, 20 for
20 minutes or 20 marks.
20 minutes.
Yeah. O-level did not have this much adjustment.
Yeah,
Adjustments are various.
Maximum 30 minutes. No, you cannot take more than that. So,
This is regular status.
so this is and this is what the last, only one question here. And with that this chapter is over. Now the next chapter is all about limited liability and company accounts. That we will start from the next class, inshallah.
Next class.
Next class, what we will see, further, he is traveling for 2 weeks. So what I am thinking, the next class, we will do the questions. We will not discuss the company account theory. I will discuss the revision quick questions in your exams. Is that fair?
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow also you can keep class.
Let me see that. Is it okay to have class tomorrow, day after tomorrow?
مشان ساعات والله النهارده صراحه يعني مثلا
No, no, I am not done. You can take
بس
it.
مش شرط ده مش طريقه شرط يعني عشان تسلطه مثال طويل خلاص بيبقى في استفاضه من اعتقاد الدكتور الجانب الثاني من المدينه يعني في نقط انت بتحطها مثلا لا مش بالطريقه دي بصراحه يعني انا حاجات كتير خالص يعني ممكن القيود انا فاهمها شويه انما البالانس شيت والارقام الخزائن انت بتختار بتحطها هنا وما تقولهاش يعني حاجتين مهمين اكتر
Recording a movie,